This video will not be a step-by-step process of UV unwrapping a character. Rather, I'm going to UV unwrap this character 2 times using the very same tools, the very same techniques, which you can watch some of my earlier videos if you want to learn these tools and techniques. The main thing that I want to demonstrate with this video is that there is not just one solution to UV unwrap a character or any other model that you might need to unwrap. Now, before I get started, we'll go ahead and look at the UVs that this character currently has. And I'll select the model, open up the UV editor, and you'll see the character's UVs, which look very similar to the UVs of a polygon cube. In fact, notice that if I select them both, that they perfectly overlap one another. Why is this? Because I modeled this character starting from a polygon primitive cube. So the current UVs that this character has are basically the UVs of the original polygon cube that I used as the starting point for modeling this character. While I won't be going through this process step by step, I'm going to speed up the video, but watch how I UV unwrap this character 2 different times, 2 different ways. The main takeaway from this that I want you to get is to understand that there isn't just one right solution, that it really is a exercise in problem solving as you UV unwrap a character or any other mesh that you might need to UV unwrap. So I've UV unwrapped these 2 identical meshes as you just saw. But the thing to take note of is that they both are UV unwrapped, UV mapped differently. So here we have, for this character on the left, here are its UVs. And if I select the one on the right, here are its UVs. In fact, let's go ahead and drag these over here to the side so that we can compare them both at the same time. I used the same tools, the same techniques of creating camera-based projections and then cutting and sewing edges for two very different end results. However, both of these examples would work very well for applying textures to them or for painting textures onto these meshes.